Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, Wednesday has gone basically exactly how we expected. It has been breezy, it has been wet. We haven't seen steady, heavy rain all day, but we have had a consistently showery day all around. This is what we've got currently on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Notice that as far as the consistent rain goes right now, it's from Limestone County all the way down into Marshall and southern DeKalb counties. That is shifting slowly towards the northeast here, that band of rain. Farther towards the west, getting a little bit of a breather in spots like the Shoals. I'll show you the wider view and you'll see that it's not just the Shoals getting a break. Mississippi is getting a little bit of a breather. Same thing goes out into Arkansas, Louisiana, kind of the break between another round that's going to be heading our way as we go through tonight into tomorrow with the passage eventually of this cold front. Now the wind is going to stay up in the meantime and we're still going to see showers in the area. This is the current view trying to look over the city of Huntsville from Montesano. 53 degrees, wind out of the east-southeast at 8 miles per hour, but it has been pretty blustery so far today. These are the maximum wind gusts that we've seen since midnight, over 30 miles per hour in Huntsville, close to that in Fayetteville. It's a 26-mile-per-hour gust reported in Muscle Shoals, 28 in Guntersville. I can tell you tomorrow, as that cold front gets closer, we can see gusts closer to 40 miles per hour. Tomorrow looks like this, very similar to today. The one difference here is the heavier rain that's going to be in our forecast, temperatures that are slightly higher before the drop behind the cold front, and that chance for some lightning there. Yeah, we do have that chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow. Tonight temperatures, though, they stay in the 50s, and the chance for storms tomorrow. For us, yes, we're going to see gusty wind and heavy rain, but it looks like that threat for stronger storms is going to stay just to our south. Future radar looks like this through the rest of this afternoon into 5 o'clock, now all the way into tonight. We'll take you through 10 o'clock here. Showers are still with us, but there are breaks to be had just slightly farther to the west. Past 10 o'clock all the way into tomorrow morning, there's a little bit of a window here where the rain tapers temporarily. You're not going to notice that, though, because you're going to be asleep. At least most of us will be. Here comes the heavy rain early tomorrow. There's the cold front off to the northwest, and watch how slowly this front creeps eastward. Round after round of heavy rain riding up and along that cold front. This is the view by noon. As we continue on through the afternoon, there's 7 o'clock. The heaviest rain will have pushed east of the area, but that is going to make for a wet evening drive. Tricky not just because of the heavy rain, but also because of the strong wind. And once all of this moves out, we got some drier air moving in pretty quickly, so that's going to help shut off the precipitation and help limit that chance for a little bit of a changeover. That is going to be a possibility, though, through northwest Alabama up into southern middle Tennessee. I want to reiterate that chance for flooding. We all have that chance tomorrow. That flood watch starts tonight at midnight, lasts all the way through midnight tomorrow night. And this is that risk for flooding a little bit higher here, shown farther along and east of I-65. But the flood threat exists for all of us. We've already got a couple of river flood warnings already taking effect. So in total, just to reiterate one more time, 3 to 4 inches of rain here locally. Higher amounts are certainly going to be a possibility. Here's a look at that severe risk for tomorrow. I told you that the stronger storms stay just to our south. This is what I mean. That cutoff there with the marginal risk, the 1 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, barely grazes Marshall and DeKalb counties. Most of us spared from that threat. And the 7-day forecast shows that while it's not impossible to get a stray sprinkle or maybe a flurry early Friday morning, look at the temperatures. We're down to mid-30s, not down below the freezing mark. Temperatures, yeah, at 64 degrees tomorrow before the front passes. And then it is colder for the weekend. Fairly quiet, though, with the next storm system missing us off towards the southeast.